Hey, Riverside Carnivores here. Quick video on how I have my setup for my Sundews and Pinguicula carnivorous plants. I have one line that runs vapor through the hose and another line that throws CO2 into the environment. This is the vapor that runs in here, gives the humidity, keeps it up. The other line, that black hose, blows air into the terrarium. A typical aquarium air pump does the job, keeps the air not stagnant. This vapor line creates humidity inside the dome by emitting vapor. Air hose line and the vapor line really keep this environment stable. I keep the air line running all day and the vapor hose. Let me show you closer detail. Let me pull out this hose. Look at that. All that vapor is just shooting out, and it's just shooting right into that environment. I turn it on twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. It has 1, 3, or 6 hour setting. As for the aquarium air pump line, throws air, straight air, just CO2, constantly staying on, keeping the air moving inside. I'll be leaving links in the description down below for all of those of you who are interested in purchasing these items. As for my lighting, I have 2 Sylvania light bulbs, each 1600 lumens. These lights are being held by this ZoomEd reptile light stand. My son in the background a little excited. This dome has ventilation holes. You can open and close it, adjust it to the plant's preference. Compared to other propagation domes that I've had, this is actually made out of some good plastic. I'm able to adjust the lights to get closer to the plants or farther away, not allowing the light bulbs to touch the plastic, of course. These Sylvania light bulbs, oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at all that. That's just the vapor rising out of the ventilation holes. Looks very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 hoses off, and the dome is gonna come off as well, so you guys can view the plants a little closer and check out their beautiful colors. Let's wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed that little viewing there with the plants and the music. I love doing that for you guys. If you have any questions for me, just please drop them down in the comments below. I'd be glad to answer those for you. And yeah, if you like the content I provide, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. It's my birthday today. I'm 29 years old now. Jeez. As always, thanks for watching my videos.